The gates are back. Racing Divine Force came out awkwardly immediately at the back of the field. Meandre from wide began well. Azaj fast away, fired up, goes looking for the lead. Farrier moves to second. Ralston Road is third. Meandre fourth at the judge the first time. Blue Sea in the middle. Jardim on the rail. 3/4 of a length away, Historic Find, and Divine Force drops out to the tail of the field as they make the turn out of the straight and go past the mile marker towards the back of the track. Azaj in front, leaving a quarter behind in 27.1, so he didn't spend a lot of gas to claim the plastic and the lead. Azaj at the 1400 metres mark by a length and a half to Farrier. Ralston Road ahead away, third on the rail. Meandre is travelling fourth. He's 3 wide on the outside of Blue Sea and Jardim, the light grey on the rail. Then Historic Find and Divine Force whips the field in as Azaj takes them down the back past the 1100 metres mark. 52.1 for the first 800 metres of the race. Azaj rolling along by a length and a half from Farrier. Ralston Road is third, enjoying the run of the race. Meandre's running fourth. He's still 3 deep. He's out of trouble. He's 2 lengths off the pace. 3/4 of a length to Blue Sea. Jardim on the fence, then Historic Find, and Divine Force whipped them in. 1200 in 1:17 flat, so they haven't been out to break records. Azaj in front of Farrier, the margin 3/4 of a length. Meandre's ridden along now. He's 3 wide coming to the bend. Ralston Road on the fence needing an out, and they get away from Historic Find and Blue Sea. Azaj led. Ralston Road went back to the fence as the leader shifted. Farrier's under the whip and Meandre is deeper out. He's starting to warm up, but he's still a length off the lead. Azaj in front of Ralston Road. Farrier, Meandre's flattened out. Azaj in front. Ralston Road trying to get to him. Azaj and Ralston Road. Azaj, Ralston Road. The heads dip tight. Leave it to the judge. Azaj, Ralston Road. Little on it. They raced away from Meandre and Farrier. Then Blue Sea, Jardim, Divine Force and Historic Find.